Friend, welcome to the Pure Mathematics channel. It is pre-algebra class, lecture 16. In this lecture, we want to teach you how to calculate exponential expression. To evaluate the exponential expression, write the base as many as the base as many times as indicated, then multiply the factors from left to right. It is the method to evaluate the exponential expression. We write the base as many times as indicated, then multiply the factors from left to right. Now we want to solve some examples. Evaluate the following exponential expression. Number 1, solution 1. We want to here we wrote 7 questions, 1 up to 7. We want to solve first one. 3 to the power 3 is equal to here the base is 3. We use 3 as factor 3 times. Exponent is 3 multiplied 3 times. 3 multiplied by 3, 9 multiplied by 3. 9 multiplied by 3 is 27. Number 2. Minus 2 whole to the power 3. Minus 2 whole to the power 3. It is equal to. Here we use minus 2 as a factor 3 times. Minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. It is equal to minus multiplied by positive, plus multiplied by minus. It is equal to minus. 2 multiplied by 2, 4 multiplied by 2, 8. Minus 8, it is the product. They are the product of example 1 and 2. Number 3. We have 2 by 3. 2 over 3 whole to the power 4. It is equal to 2 over 3 multiplied by 2 over 3 multiplied by 2 over 3 multiplied by 2 over 3 4 times, because the exponent is 4. It is equal to, we multiply all the numerator 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Also denominator same method. It is equal to 2 multiplied by 2, 4. 2 multiplied by 2, 4. 3 multiplied by 3, 9. 3 multiplied by 3, 9. 4 multiplied by 4, 16. 9 multiplied by 9, 81. Number 4. 0.5 whole to the power 2. It is equal to 0.5 multiplied by 0.5. If we multiply these two numbers, 0.5 by 0.5, 5 multiplied by 5, 25. 0, 0, 5, 2, 0, we have two numbers. Actually, we get 0.25. It is the product of this expression. Number 5. Number 5 minus 2 whole to the power 4 is equal to minus 2 multiplied by minus 2 multiplied by minus 2 multiplied by minus 2. It is equal to minus multiplied by minus plus plus multiplied by minus 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 multiplied by minus plus 2 multiplied by 2, 4 multiplied by 2, 8 multiplied by 2, 16. Minus 2, sometimes we can write minus 2 to the power 4, or we can write like this, minus 2 to the power 4, or we can write minus 2 to the power 4, it is equal to minus 2 to the power 4 inside bracket. We get in every situation we can write minus 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 4 times, it is equal to minus 2 multiplied by 2 4 times, it is equal to 16, minus 16. Also number 7, 1 2 3 4 5, it is number 6. Number 6, number 7. Minus 2 whole to the power 4, it is equal to minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. It is equal to minus multiplied by minus plus multiplied by minus minus multiplied by minus plus multiplied by minus 2 multiplied by 2 4 times, it is equal to 16. We should be careful, especially in this when a base with negative sign inside bracket. But here, if this is even integer, the result will become positive. If exponent is odd integers, the result will become negative. Another thing, here this negative is under 4, under the exponent of 4, but here this minus is out of bracket. It is independent sign. We have to evaluate these things, then multiply by minus. They are different. These two things are different. Also here also same. They are very important. We have to consider this kind of situation. Here we write more 20 example 8, number 8 we want to solve. Minus 0 minus 0.5 whole to the power 2, it is equal to minus, it is not dependent to square, so here minus 0.5 multiplied by minus 0.5, it is equal to minus multiplied by minus plus, or we can write minus multiplied by minus plus multiplied by minus. 0.5 multiplied by 0.5 is 0.25. Number 9, minus 5 minus 8 whole to the power 2, it is equal to minus 5 minus 8 minus 3 whole to the power 2, it is equal to actually minus 3 multiplied by minus 3 multiplied by 2 times. It is equal to minus multiplied by minus plus plus multiplied by minus minus 3 multiplied by 3 9 minus 9. Number 10, 2 to power 3 multiply 3 to power 2, it is equal to 2 power 3 8. We can write 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 3 times 2 times 3 multiplied by 3, it is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 by 2 8 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 9 8 multiplied by 9 72. It is the result. Number 11, 2 multiplied by 5 minus 3 into 4 plus 4 square, it is equal to 2 multiplied by 5 10 minus 3 multiplied by 4 12 plus 4 multiply 4 square 4 actually 4 square is equal to 16. It is equal to 10 minus 12 minus 2 plus 16. 16 minus 2 is equal to 14. It is the answer. Number 12, 2 multiplied by 3 by 4. 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 4 minus 3 to power 3 plus 8 over 4. It is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 6 multiplied by 4 24 minus 27 plus 8 divided by 4 2. It is equal to 24 minus 27 minus 3 plus 2. It is equal to minus 1. Number 13, 3 minus 2 into 7 minus 2 cube. We can write 3 minus 2 into 7 minus 2 cube. It is equal to 3 minus 2 into 7 minus 8. It is equal to 3 minus 2 into 7 minus 8 minus 1. It is equal to 3 minus plus multiplied by minus plus 2 multiplied by 1 2. It is equal to 3 plus 2. It is equal to 5. Number 14, 3 minus modulo 7 minus 3.4. It is equal to, first we want to evaluate the absolute value of this expression. First 7.0 minus 3.4. From 10 we subtract 4, it is equal to 6 point. Here we have 6, from 6 we subtract 3, it will become 3.6. So 3 minus absolute value 3.6. It is equal to 3 minus absolute value of 3.6 is equal to 3.6. It is equal to, if we subtract these two, we get minus 0.6. 0.6 is the answer. Number 15, we have 9 multiplied by 5. 9 multiplied by 5 minus plus 8 by over minus 5 square minus 3 into minus 7. It is equal to 9 multiplied by 8 by 5, 45 plus 8 multiply by minus 5 square 25 minus multiply by minus plus 3 multiply by 7 21. It is equal to if we find sum of these two numbers, 8 plus 5, it will become 53 minus 25 plus 21 minus 4 plus minus plus divided by minus 53 over 4. It is the answer. Number 16, 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4, it is equal to 256. Number 17, 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1 4 times, it is equal to 1. 1 multiplied by itself, it is equal to 1. In how many times? 100 times, 1000 times. If we multiply by, if 1 multiplied by itself, it is equal to 1. Minus 5, number 18, minus 5 multiplied by minus 5 multiplied by minus 5 4 times, multiplied by minus 5, it is equal to minus multiplied by minus plus multiplied by minus multiplied by minus plus 5 multiplied by 5 25 multiplied by 5 125 125 multiplied by 5 625 is the answer, plus 625. Number 19, we want to write here, it is equal to minus 8 multiplied by minus 8 multiplied by minus 8, how many times? 4 times, multiplied by minus 8, minus multiplied by minus. Actually here we have inside parentheses we have minus 8, but the exponent is even integer, then the result will become positive, so it is equal to plus 8 multiplied by 8 64 multiply 8 multiplied by 8 64 64 multiplied by 64, you can multiply that, multiply it, how much it will become, how much. Number 20, minus 1 by 2 multiply 5 times, then we get it is equal to minus 1 by 2 into 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 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. It is equal to if we multiply here we have minus, actually the base has a minus sign, so the exponent is odd integer, therefore the result will become negative. Minus 1 by multiply 1, all this one will multiply by their self 5 times, 2 multiplied in denominator, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 5 times, it is equal to minus 1 multiplied by 1 2 multiplied by 2 5 times 32. It is the answer of question 20. It was the lesson of 16. Actually we evaluate the exponential expression, and the next lesson we will explain about power, rules of power. Thank you.